Here at the Herbal Apothecary, we want to make it as easy as possible for people to access our products and our services. One of the things we've been working on recently is our Herbal Product Calculator. You can use it to create a product of your own design. Choose from liquids, capsules, powders or cut herb blends. Create your own formulation from our extensive range of ingredients, and then choose from a range of packaging options. Once you've done that, you can choose your labelling options, define your order quantity. You'll be given a price for the total amount as well as a unit cost. And finally, enter your name and contact details and submit them to our team, who will give you a call back as soon as they're available.